Okay, everyone, we're going to be doing an unboxing of these action figures. They're from the Spider-Man PS4 game. There's a bunch of accessories. Okay. It's Mr. Negative. It says Mr. Negative in the image. Negative. Okay, now let's get this is Inner Demon. Okay, now we move on to the accessories. Alright, these are the accessories of Inner Demon. So, first we have some removable heads, and then we have some removable hands, and there should be a gun somewhere, but I don't really know what that is. Okay, see that? This is for the Inner Demon. Okay. Now we're moving on to these accessories. Oh, this is the sword from Mr. Negative. Okay, so slide that in there. And then we put it in his hand. This hand. Okay. Now, this sword is long. This is him with his sword. Alright. Now moving on to these are the guns for this guy. Okay, so first we got a machete, so one of these weapons. Then we got another gun. There should be a bat. Yeah, we got a bat. And that's it. Okay. So, we're going to start with the Inner Demon guy. So, this guy, first of all, he has removable heads. So, you can be like this. You can be like this. And he also has removable hands. So, instead of these kind of hands, he will have fists. now onto his weapons. So his first weapon is a bat. This bat's pretty cool. Okay, he has a bat. I don't know if this is supposed to fit in there, but yeah. Okay, let's get the bat. Okay. I don't know how that's supposed to fit in there. I'll figure it out. But now we have his gun. So there's this cool thing where you can put like one of these, like to make it appear like a shooting. Oh. And let's just put that there. Make it appear like a shooting. That. It won't go in, but okay. Now on to Mr. Negative. This guy is the one that has the sword. See here? Okay. Now, if you put these in his hands, I'm pretty sure. Oh, he's supposed to go in. Yeah, like that. And it appears like he's doing that one thing that he does in the game when he's at full power. And that's it. Mr. Negative and Inner Demon.